Jurors in Texas are sending a powerful message to automakers about a potential danger CBS News has reported on for years. A civil jury on Friday found clear and convincing evidence of gross negligence by Toyota, the parent company of Lexus. It ruled the automaker failed to warn consumers that front seats can collapse backward during certain types of rear-end collisions and propel people into the seat back. A verdict of more than $242 million stems from a 2016 crash where two young children were severely hurt. Chris Van Cleef is in Washington, and he's been following this story. Chris, good morning.
Good morning. The auto industry has long known that front car seats do not hold up in certain kinds of rear-end crashes where the vehicle is hit at a high rate of speed. The injuries to those in the back seat can be catastrophic. Internal documents show the cost to fix the problem could be on the order of $1 or so per seat.
Our children are hurt forever. That we can't imagine this happening to any other families.
Ben and Christy Reavis were stopped in traffic on a Dallas area expressway on the way home from church in September of 2016. Their two kids, 3-year-old Owen and 5-year-old Emily, in the back seat in their car seats when an SUV slammed into the back of their 2002 Lexus sedan at 45 miles an hour. As this crash test simulating the collision and used during the trial shows, the front seats collapsed, sending Ben and Christy headfirst into their own children. Both kids suffered lasting traumatic brain injuries.
Traumatic brain injury is devastating. We have no idea what's coming.
In a statement, Toyota says it respects the jury's more than $242 million verdict, but remains confident that the injuries sustained were the result of factors specific to this very severe collision, not a defect in the design or manufacturing.
The jury understood that the only way you were going to get any movement here was to get Toyota's attention and the other car makers. Toyota testified in this matter that they had known since the 80s.
Attorney Frank Branson showed the jury parts of our CBS News investigation, including this 2016 report where a jury awarded the Rivera family more than $124 million for a similar crash that left their son with brain damage.
I'm angry that I feel like we were never given a chance to make the decision for ourselves. I wish I had seen that piece 6 months before our accident happened, because I would have started asking questions about my own car.
Our investigation identified more than 100 cases where seatback collapses resulted in serious injuries or death, mostly to children in the back seat. But seats in cars meet or exceed federal standards for seat strength that date back to 1967, standards even a banquet chair can pass. 200. Still, car makers and regulators have known about the potential of collapses for decades.
It's time to step forward, step up, stand up, make a decision. This is unacceptable.
Now, because of our investigation, several members of Congress have called on NHTSA to change the seatback strength standard. The agency has consistently maintained it lacks sufficient evidence to take action, but has also acknowledged seatback collapse is likely underreported. Still, NHTSA recommends the back seat as the safest place for kids. Toyota tells us it is still considering its next step in this case. We were not able to reach NHTSA over the weekend. Nora?
Chris, great reporting. It's why when I first heard about it, when you reported this a while ago. So thanks for keeping us up to date on it. Thank you.